Space, the final frontier. We've sent men to the moon, probes to the edge of our solar system, and telescopes that can peer into galaxies billions of light years away. And yet, we still understand so little. Because hidden in the cold silence of the cosmos are secrets that science can't crack. Pulses with no origin, objects that defy gravity, shadows that flicker on moons no one's visited. These are the kinds of mysteries that keep NASA scientists up at night. Today on Top 5 Guy, we're diving into the top 5 cosmic mysteries NASA still can't explain. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get right into it. 5. The Black Knight Satellite. Imagine a satellite orbiting Earth that no one built. No launch record. No country claiming it. And it's been up there since before we had the technology to send anything into space. Enter the Black Knight Satellite. First spotted in the 1950s, this mysterious tumbling object was detected by radar operators during early American and Soviet missions. Some say Nikola Tesla picked up signals from it back in 1899, long before spaceflight was even a concept. Photographs taken by the Space Shuttle Endeavour in 1998 show a large, irregular black object floating in low Earth orbit. NASA brushed it off as space debris, but conspiracy theorists and some insiders weren't convinced. What makes the Black Knight so unsettling isn't just that it exists, it's that it appears to move on its own, in ways no man-made object should. Some believe it's an alien probe, monitoring us. Others think it's an ancient relic from a long-lost civilization. NASA's official silence only deepens the mystery, because if it's just space junk, why are we still tracking it? Number 4. The WOW signal. August 15, 1977. A quiet night at Ohio State University's Big Ear Radio Telescope. Then, a blip. Not a normal radio wave. Not a satellite. Not static. It lasted 72 seconds, long enough to record. Astronomer Jerry Eman circled it in red pen and wrote one word in the margins. Wow. That single word gave this anomaly its name, the WOW signal. What made it special? Its intensity, its purity, and the fact that it matched exactly what we'd expect an alien transmission to look like. It came from the constellation Sagittarius, a region of space with no known nearby stars capable of supporting life. Since that day, the WOW signal has never been repeated. No follow-up signal, no explanation, just that one eerie transmission. NASA has spent decades listening, but the signal remains a ghost in the static, a whisper from the void. Some scientists suggest it could have been a reflection from a comet. Others say it was a military test, but neither theory holds up. The truth? We may have received our first alien call, and we missed the chance to answer. Number 3. The hexagon on Saturn. Saturn, the ringed giant. But beneath its dazzling rings lies a shape that shouldn't exist in nature. A massive, perfect hexagon, locked on the planet's north pole. Discovered by NASA's Voyager in 1981, and later studied in detail by the Cassini probe. The structure is 20,000 miles wide, big enough to fit 4 Earths inside. What's baffling? It's not a mountain range, not a crater. It's a storm. A hurricane with 6 symmetrical sides that's been spinning for decades, maybe centuries. Scientists tried to recreate it in labs by spinning fluids in a tank, and they almost got hexagonal shapes, but nothing close to the size or stability seen on Saturn. Winds inside this storm reach 300 miles per hour, and it rotates with eerie precision. And here's the kicker. There's no known atmospheric force in nature that creates a shape so perfect and keeps it stable for this long. Why a hexagon? Why only on Saturn? And why does no other planet have anything like it? NASA still doesn't know. Number 2. DarkFlow. When NASA mapped the movement of galaxies across the universe, they expected to see a chaotic, random swirl. Instead, they noticed something alarming. Entire galaxy clusters were moving in the same direction, fast, as if being pulled by a force outside our known universe. They called it DarkFlow. Spotted using NASA's Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe, WMAP, the data showed galaxies heading toward the edge of the observable universe at millions of miles per hour. But nothing, no supercluster, no black hole, no anomaly, explains the pull. Some astrophysicists suggest a multiverse, that perhaps another universe, hidden beyond our cosmic horizon, is exerting gravitational force on ours. Others say it's proof that the structure of the universe is far larger and far stranger than we've ever imagined. NASA tried to recheck the data with newer satellites, and DarkFlow still showed up. Whatever is out there, it's invisible, powerful, and pulling on everything we know, and we have no idea why. Number 1. Oumuamua, the interstellar visitor. In 2017, astronomers in Hawaii detected something odd. A cigar-shaped object was hurtling through our solar system, fast. It wasn't orbiting the sun like an asteroid. It wasn't behaving like a comet. It was just passing through. They named it Oumuamua, Hawaiian for a messenger from afar arriving first. It came from outside our solar system. It was the first interstellar object ever recorded, but it didn't behave like a rock. It didn't release gas or debris like a comet, and it accelerated without any visible propulsion. Some scientists, including Harvard's Avi Loeb, suggested the unthinkable, that Oumuamua might be artificial, a probe, a solar sail, something built. NASA played it safe, calling it a space rock of unknown origin. But behind closed doors, astrophysicists were divided. The shape, too elongated. The speed, too erratic. The motion, unexplained. We only saw it for a few weeks before it vanished into deep space, gone forever. No pictures, no samples, just data, just questions. Was it the first sign we're not alone? Or just the strangest rock in the galaxy? NASA still doesn't know. And we may never get another chance to ask. In a universe that stretches beyond comprehension, it's not what we do know that defines us. It's what we don't. Black satellites that whisper secrets, signals from the stars, storms shaped like geometry, invisible forces, and alien visitors that vanish before we can say hello. These aren't just anomalies, they're reminders that for all our rockets and telescopes, we're still just scratching the surface of something far greater. Which mystery kept you up tonight? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that bell for more facts, mystery, and everything in between. Right here on With Ya Boy Top 5 Guy. Until next time, stay woke and discover more.